Samre Embraso and a fiada 6 March 2020. Yawo a bia afi 2020 2019 near year na 2020 no yeah twaso in an exclusive way. Ate bacha was a no Abrabo mu nsɛm. Ye we nua ba bi wo so a wabɛka na Abrabo mu nsɛm ɛda kyerɛ ye bi be futu ebi nso eba ma ye ni nso ayɛden ada hɔ. Nti ye to nsa da frɛ no na ye de dwumedie no nso ahyehyɛ so. Nti stay tuned. O so a na wa like na wa share nso da ma obi. Because nsɛm abɛte no ɛbɛgye wo nsɛm. Nsɛm abɛte ne no ɛbɛgye wo nsɛm. Nti Nyankopɔn nhyira mo na nyam kɛseɛ. Ye to nsa da frɛ no na ye de dwumedie no nso ayɛden ahyehyɛ so. Hello, mommy.
Hello.
Yeah, I promise to sing. Christo Adam. Yeah, so you when you tear for na tear. And if you da. Na when I do started 2020 or tiano Abrabo mu nsɛm. Nti ene de ba na wode maye.
Yo. Dedi kai mi de nyame ase se wamayen enne day odi enne day amayen na metie fu nyina ene omo betia later on nyame tie obia.
Yeah, Yakopon shiro.
Na enyume se me wo fidie so na enye pone. Me abayo bia. Me Ghanaian.
Yeah, Ghanaian.
Na me Ghanaian na fiti se ye wo me nyini ye babawa nyama de bebre akoso a me ankasa personally mesua nyama bebre from mu a me pesa yes me pesa me nko a ebesi ya efim na ye wo me foforo ye wo me no ye de me koma me nana a we na be bi ko
wa free mu
na me net now for 12 years.
Oh wow.
And me can say me with the knowledge say or ya me mami I don't know who be we ase.
Oh okay.
Cause say e da ofri mu.
Wow.
And omo ya mamre no mo ka che me say and no ya me grandmother but me mami an kasa on the owo me be we ase oh.
Auntie me bisa question bi o. Na unhu mami pen.
Na me hu no actually obesum we fie na metimi no. Me nana no oware sike ni ntina ye was oware ye no anche bia na ni kunu benye iska nti no oni banso ontumi nwo. Nti me fan say ye de me ma no e be share awo no ntumi wo nanan. Nti actually I grew up but me ma me survey me but na me all this one na me hu me say no ye made that e bi o makofa na ba so be so na but no me mami ankasa ba.
So mami ankasa no pretend say oye obi ohwefie.
Ohwefie me ni so ohwefie na ho but na e be say onu de obeso me na nanimu ama na sisi fe na but na me nim say me mami odi me be ya.
Na why? Adentina na wo so ye ne ho sa. Obetimi ya kire kakra.
Me me come omo ka chenze me mami ankasa no. Me bisa ye no mo kire me say na omo mpese unsa me na no oni kunu wo ska no so onwu ye ni ntino na omo mpese omu be ombeka kire me at that young age say woman ni nya ona ni unsa because of emotional reasons ntino na mami no ha wa kai say oni ba na e bia me mami di no ho feel na identity for family reasons ntino mama me.
To that time you thought said that was your mom.
It was a little secret between Omwankasa Muntama who said Menana free.
Oh, okay.
I'm a twin in Tinomia, Mamma.
Oh, we aren't that for.
That's awesome. And tell me, Mamma, I don't know Mokacha.
And to Mummy now more.
There be Bemani go with him.
Oh, Kafra. Ofrimu at what age?
yeah, wo yeah no, yeah wo yeah premature until yes, that time incubator no. Yeah, the nipa me no go incubator mo and hardly say ba ko be surviving you know. One no be man mo antimi and surviving no boy. It's no. Yes, and me papa no worry about for. Worry about for na be man oba ko no worry oba ko no so was kapa. Ya ka kantamanto tycoons ni no mu no sika for pa. Na unse ebusianfo nbi ho mo adin bi se me papa na me won nche na ko worry obi foforo ni de e bi obeba se obebi mani na adin ti no omo yi me fifie ho which wasn't easy because first time omo try ye na etikanation bi dwane ye na me so adult 12 years bi dwane ye nti wanda ko ye ho na ne no ami hu so ma ba sisa me ni ma ba so ami ankasa kreti ho no enye izi se efi amatina enyi je ma nkrofo a me ni o matina na da ko bia ma ba sisa me say we dey make code as young as I am no I mean it was very weird for me say I na metina ko school aye bibia nti no na da ko mo say o me na egu nti be sin fifi ode. Nah, it wasn't something I was ready to deal with. Nti no, me feel ono na me nana no wu ye no. Omu ni opinion do no wa broche. Nti no ono no ma sa order no, e no mo be fa me feel. E na omu hand down ma me ne me maame. Eni ye kotina ye. It was hard for me. Na didn't say I adjusted to the new life because I think the friend Obia, not my friend by name, no, the friend of mama. It took me time for me to adjust at least. Now that's a friend, sister, ma, because he said, that group, me started saying friend, ma. And yes, a son, me school, yes, a son, me never be brave. And to me, no more about when we started, I'm 16 years.
Wow.
And I'm going to suffer for. And I said the about time, yeah, me maame etu me phone, de me share me said the brand city at see me ra my you are mu na de. And you know, me 16 years now, in fact, as one in starting na me masem ba me so. And me actually my first boyfriend me nya no e school na me kono. School ni ra ne ba. No ne be ma me di kan me ne tinae. But unsta o ya akola and I'll face say wo nyansa snake woman just say we say ye young na ye was in here ta ka say wo no just say ma wo time the trim sa na me say me ye ko swim me ma me enti me gusu ya me ma say me nkola boni say sa na da kuru me te say mase say eya me ya to me sana say na de na eya me sa na me strong to say me bo me maami amane sanse na me maami de me nti wahu say bra me de me ho agim ye ba na o twen so no me ankasa na medie ma na aka je say ebi ama we na me ya na say we na me eti me gada courage no one morning na me ka che me maami say ebi ama me wo boyfriend na me na ye BBC. Me mama, she was surprised, but she was not really surprised. I said, "Oh, but and Abrabo, why you so surprised?"
I am normal.
I am normal because we're who at the end of that. You know, beside me say, and ban saying and the konya boy. It's not because me tell me
that was 16 years.
That was 16 years.
Wow.
Now she hear me. No credit okay. Me na normal. Ni mafia bichi. Me seven. Me draw space.
Bibia wesaka.
Full bag. Yeah, it's not me own chine. It's me boy me man bisa me say. Ne ban saying na only be ma koye bibi to say. And just to save myself na me didn't trust be man told me mona. Be man told me mona. Sasa na me maame nipa bi oni ho maame guy ni police ni.
Hey.
Na me maame friend guy no mu mienu. Ejame basi oto ne mo 19.
I bet you.
No mo call guy in face. I don't na me use phone. Me am so edi nyansu me ni phone no. Me use phone.
So now you don't communicate.
I said me school na me kona. Yeah,
Smart.
no so try there. Oh no try to me e communication me there. Yeah di. Ena ko fie ho. Ena boy no so no. Us according to boy no see ohun say me ma me the police for ba no so bia na ye. Ena omu be fie ni boy ni ma wo for be kasa ya say dey. My ama because of Saturday na see and nti ama ma say eya me yanti no me ma me be jiska jiska wo mo ho. E de me call hospital. I catch them so them no they me be call hospital. And so no all this are na o de bu na ye me white. Na me ma you know me ma me do that stuff no to de bu no man. I say don't je na ko feel na kono kala bone no I just got home. Bone kind of say o de bu na here. Okay, ena me no me na Ekow. Enti after Saturday na chini niama mu be ya din kakra ma me mame.
If I say
17, 18 years mo kona ni mu be start say ya din e ma yin kakra. Enti na me high school kra me nya me bi JSS nya school was the fancy senior high. But for some reasons enti no oma amfani anko. No me de me call so hum kwa kocha.
Yehowa.
Ehona me call wie. Na me call school of for ja. Young girl ya dem. Me because of near man course enti me say first
exams. Semester.
First term.
Okay.
Term near me call second term. Me call ya no. And I said omo ya no high school no mo pair baby ma me tina ya na din na. It's after I think me call JSS SS23 mo hono. Na masum be ye din ye ankasa. Ena the Mallam ni bi ko twem na.
Yehowa.
Obi oye ndo. Sata no so.
Na bibisa question o. Na wunsuro.
Se bibi ahase de. Na de ko ba ni se odi kan ba ye school. So obi oni nsuhun kraba ko ta kro ni bia no oni se de kro motie. Ye school dan na chi na shrine wo hodada.
Kese abosumfie wo hodada. Mo dan na chi.
Abosumfie
Wow.
Ena na sa Mallam no susu no onanti ko ye station kakra no susu ni de che inside no. Na de na ye school na ko ye ne se na omo nyina tini ba ye school na omo nhede nti ni se na nje omo si ni kama na enra bi da omo timi femu ba school ni be ye omo de di agro na ade. And actually the first time I meet who guy no or the come school mo ho no obi kan ntokwa nti o ha na say the whole popo say the bia tiesi ni so no ya no be bi sa no. And then the very first time I meet said mo tia no mo ba mo si ye
competition mo se kase akoma tiesi so
ono ne dia ne me nka se eye kom ko Mallam fon de on ta nka se o mi ye no nka se eye kom metinya ka se bosum koma ono ni ye adwuma no eba ni mu a se de bosum ni suban tie na e fa odi pe bia na
nti enya akom
nti omo de enya akom esum akomfo no enti no me start say me ko town e kromu ko ye me de na ma me di ko hu guy no na ya see omo ye Mallam no omo hu ye hu pa they are not so scared. Let me just say it as it is. Omo ti say ye nipa na ye nam ho na but ora ni baby o de frɛ abosomfo no said your Christo ni nam ho na but ora ni prayer altar na
different
and oye sa na omo so omo de ani tie enti many banjin no in fact many banjin no
maybe some question answer na what to ask no maybe say now how was the training from their parents like not training what to say in terms of your show wono yeti in your show how was it
maka say me de ya jijin so pa ya Colombia I was spoiled. I had everything in life. Na think I said Christo no me ye Christo for my pa. But na e ho de wan ko sorry 10 years go be any. Yeah, I'm found. That is how I met here. Intimate it is said, na me warm and na bibia sometimes I make go school a car ye dey go school me na me choose. Na dem person dey car ye dey car we go school. Nso nko me ye nkola for me na me ekita with me. But me na me born na me kasa no family me ka tie me pa that is me ma na me tell.
Okay.
That was spoiled and kasa. It is say oh yeah yeah boo gidigidi ana ye
when we sa nneɛma
me hu sa de man sa enti many guy be very close
ɛyɛ comfort no
comfort no
okay
o ka comfort na ya na omo different comfort ye different from some Mallam for
okay
two different
what the name Mallam
Mallam
oh
no
okay
comfort
but these people are scary
me after my encounter with guys now they don't scare me anymore.
Oh wow.
They don't scare me anymore. It's we started out as friends. Well, no, you could not me say. Later I'm never changed Nankasa. Now, I don't know, but say Nipa Nkasa we exaggerate a lot.
Yeah,
we exaggerate. As I said, guy, me bet na I'm not saying so me papa and say oh problem I saw run into them. But now who say omo nkasa kra no enro na omo ye na nkasa kra no enye ni nya na sometimes e adwuma ho. Enye ni nya na e adwuma.
Enti ochiro how was be e adwuma na say how was be operate
ochiro wi. Yeah, one me keke many way who be. There are times anajo be say unse not tired normal students no.
Okay.
They be at school or the senior be ampo na person chise ni
mafia na.
Oh mafia na now the number. They be at say ni hu mo nya din a. Now matching 12-1. O match ko rem bi wo inside no akonnele na wo ho na ade. Nsa niam nti wo high school na wo fo onyem pai bofo na nso kra wo didi nya no ada. I saw a lot. Me who never bebre. And no man for girls. It was something else. Oh man, with me shake the say, hey, she have baby said the same. You will be or no be for girls. Just say, on say, if you are home, see parlors now. What you could see, or you saw ya anyway.
Handkerchief, ne, Sanya no.
Obo ha bro person bo nti.
Maybe some question no. How must be operate? Obi ba beje for girls how who be? No me say. What do they do?
On say uba obi wo ho a oye malama. Na bia owo motia.
Okay.
Owo dwarfs. Owo dwarfs or some or gods. Who saboso for no mo doso. Evil spirits no mo doso. Enti ye kotombo. Ye tomu, ye to ukonofa, ye to omo.
Omo ton abosom na the ma individuals.
Enye di mbe ye juma nti na dia. Asa o ha to say the nkonko no usiki na aba no. We mu den ye
different. Omo koto. Enu ti na me ha Paul Peter ka cha akwa ne say woni usika ni na nyere mfre ha no. O say be discover ma beto nkonkron ne bi.
Omo to spirit no. Iti se bia boy na me ho no ne so far me hu nyansa me hu spirits manifested through the moon nyansa we find an opportunity to see but we are dwarfs no a very nice and friendly obo no bon komo akwabo mu se ono ankasa ne hu program in spiritual realm no owo ba make say that
really
na dia otimi ba no ni nya beka and I me ba no pan dinia like utis oka ase utis e bosom no wo ya bosom of enough like the kasa ni tree moon na ho just nwanwa said o musitie no ba ku bi so ho na manifesting through boy oba ebufu oyemumu onkasa oba ono oba obese ade oba pe oba uhu oba pe na otobi aye na tu Obamo.
What's your back on or you're lonely anytime you're here, Nipa? Wow.
Some with on say back motia na make us all your friendly or no ba or share ataya meta who say boy ni share at the welcoming in patakari.
Okay.
But back na oye mumu na on the bar or be say at the end. Or ta boy who said the gangster for si dress.
Yeah.
Say no do no ba or person share.
Wow.
Nti ebi ono ne oba na say bi a boy ni she patakari a obe she boy ni mu pa obetu say na opre ochia mi wo ho me nya mi na me ochia mi boy no ochia to ochia mi ni tikasa
Wow.
to won so ochia mi ni ye na abotre ye be sisa ne hu sisi a ro na sha ne na ta ye na open ebi ye busanfo spirit na ebi ye guy funny how it works it's am mi strong bi hu said ya omusi ye o meduma no ntina ebia obi di na asemu aba ebia me be ye obi for girls oh and I just say your friend asumesi no no betimi handle sa asemu na o ma kwanchia
na sa na ba
no wa ba oh nti bosom no ebia bosom bi o ha discourage any nsa apetition your friend
no
tu ene ne the friend no wo ho ha na wa ba wa be on kasa nti oye sign na nti mo de ndi obo on kasa oye sign na akuta ochia mi ona ye adwuma che so ono tiase no wa che he na si yes miti obi yes aha owi ana okọ obodan na okọ di nti hwidan ni ma na okọ na fe boy ni ni aba ni ho so
what
it's almost said you're more prettier. I mean, there's nothing like the power of God, and we don't have to pay for the Holy Spirit. That's the most beautiful thing. But when Mama bread, say sometimes no, because imagine, busum be a bed, busum motia no ba, boy and the tissue and imagine a day 10.
Or the tip and prema bang.
Or the pim one who now motia like no co.
Ti also just say one woman free ni mu akwa and also the table badium.
Or pin or the pin line or the tin I don't know how to do it. I'm the pin no call. Internet but me kai one time almost canchi friend do your friendly but almost friend on bada watch it. No more no men sano, no more friend, no more shiwi, no more or by adaya. Should you know what is your nasty for. And so now boy ni kasa but the spirit manifesting to the boy missing so told the ya no one and nothing now. It's said yeah, I didn't see. I told you I'm a dahana me jeans. Hey, Bibi wo viasi o. Bibi wo viasi. I remember one time boy ne do maybe a odi agro or chiska or die ho. Or chiska
physical.
Me ya ma kwan sada no because your grandpapa dele with me papa. Me ya ma kwan scared send me be ewie. Me lori fe no kwa me di aka. And I'm a call boy who said Niska, never fuka a coffee. And as I said, Satan, I mean, I know what breaching now on Shemu, but not Abrabo or sending Niska, but who said that could do long hands and I ever signed him. Now, soon I didn't be until the milk of my papa, honest. And see, make one when I'm say, because Niska or never come or so chain. Sad than in your die, diagro into a mamiska. Dana ye diagro ne buy or chinska or down man. Omu koma chairman ba omu ya di agro na oti oni di oti mpa ni so keke di agro na so dan ni mu na wa twinska no so dan ni mu na wa twinska ni abobo and it's to some specific amount of it in atwi enti omu ton ade ne kra no enti bi sa mu se e dey sika enye sika papa nya na odi fra osika
Yehowa
enye sika papa nti imagine say sada me de sika me de for car mo intimate me bisa say sika be no dia friend sika no me de for car so serious to the extent say na me step mother in fact we yam shishino
omu na be discover say when sa Mallam no ho
Omo nyina be discover.
Eh, na on plan twin na serious o. We no open. Hey.
Serious.
Wow.
Me see that I'm saying I'm born a kwacha. Nyame fa ni born in chame boy no she kawabi. Na kawabi se boy no. Se me ni boy ni ye bibi na se kawa ni she na. On ya ho ton da. Kawa ni she na me bia me boy ni da. Mo da. Obe hama presa go ti se obe ko twa akoko ta ya pata.
Me bisa asemo. E aboso mo kra empeso mo di o me ne be hu se bem.
Me see last ochia me ne ka chia me say wo dia wo da kro oda osusa na akom na tiesis no be kun wa ha na obe hu.
Hey.
Ochia me no sa no ka chia.
Me bisa question no. Wo mo na process na mo no ahia pen.
Ene dia me hu da. Ene dia mkasi mi ya na me bua because boy no akasa ni strength. I mean me hu anything that's na ordinary. But mostly na no pa me sorry no. Na boy no nda ho.
Oko, owie na adwuma ko.
Oko pata. Se oko pata dia ni she no bi exam oko pata.
Me bisa question no. Enti moye no shrine ho anasa mu pie ko baby.
Shrine wa.
Ba sister we near dem pa o. Etu unsuro abosom krampo. Hey.
Me kai ni go with me na system na bosom ebia se bia me ni boy ni nya asema na ebia maka se nde na ba me ka kire no me ka kire kwesi no se na ba me ka kire no nti se na ba so no maka kire na ade akwesi ye but it's the same person sitting over there but it's a different spirit occupying the body at that moment.
What a wow.
Nti me se na ade akwesi ye nti o yose na hwe ne be kasha ma wate nti kwesi no spirit ne corner se kwesi ba. I don't know how Akwesi drive to Kasaba. I believe say he had a way on no.
Who to be complaining now? The ma emotiana. So why you are there? Hey, who did you see?
No, assuming that Kasama.
Wow.
But I almost tell me, baby, who
Jesus.
Me, Debbie, and the cancer 2020 is my year of recovery. So, or the never be very feeling same. Kawabi. Mr. Mother, no, but that is one thing or your mommy, I'll never forget her. Kawab, many boy, any boy, any could talk, I will be the share me, sad, dropped in the buy, the best share me. Oh, no,
Jahome, it's your way. Comment session is soon. I will go comment session. I mean, sister, a champ of my charity, I was so, Yankupo Shrao. Major was so, my Megina. Major was so, Esther Anita Fodjo, Major was so, Mr. Eric Enin, Major was so, or some watch a life of Kumasi Ghana, Yankupo and Shroud, Esther Dolly Beda, Yankupo and Kanho, my Metina Jimfua, God bless you, Sister Mary Amma, Yankupo and Shroud, Sister Gift Sefa, I think watching from Spain, if I'm not wrong. I say, so this girl asked her which one she bought. So, bisa say, Unya Kukudene, our boss, Ebisa. Abrante ne se bosom ben kwa no toye. Wow. Mami Angela amegbeji ozi another level brother say yankupo enhira. Mami Jena say nyame ba fi ba UK I greet you. Unia ba ma nyame adome ho ye. I hope so wo so ho ye. Is you. It say obi say where did he take her to? Maybe the mountainside. There be inside ankasa. Bosom room ho. Just say okay. Mr. Cosmos, also watch a live from Düsseldorf. It's long time, yeah, could break 3 months. Nyamiadom after they are returning. Obviously, where is she now? Nyamiadom or no Ghana, Wakuntumu. Sana Mecano. Try ways and means to hide her identity. And it is start to also.
And you know, minya o ma miskana mle fuka mi ko fie Mr. Madam ni du fie ma fon wan kasa
Yehowa
yes it's Mr. Madam dey bia na kasi atwe ni moja ma fon
na bibisa question, did you ever feel so I say like you were under spell bibisa I say like akwana na won say why you bibi
Debut. Sana na nkrofo kan but me more dey na me hu ni sa because time na me onya na only bibi esi.
Ba ye kasa mba akukudru a afana me ya edi because unnim se osimesi oya Mallam okroma even on a normal level no be ma kra mfa na njimi and you had we say the guts and the vim to move with this guy by mba akukudru ampa. I get it.
Na ebedu ema osre me nyawe because ebedu baby na mintimi ntina classroom. Ye shama dey kana me pepi na fe yeah exam sa na fe ase dey bibi aya ni bibi ni atam mi so de me call na boy no your school's a high school no Ghana high schools ni amum permit headset any phones ni ade. Enti nya mani ebedu one baby me stroke akra ni se me ko ji boy any headset. And
I am Mallam no.
Mallam. One evening, yeah, prep sana. Teachers no mu season annual. Na me charge headset no. Ewo ubie ye classroom na socket no. Utun say match ubie and need the first na obehu. But teacher we bie door no who headset.
Hey.
Me yashi.
Baby, creators also can be. What's the
those guy no. But sa dey na me hu yen dey me yashi.
Spiritual headset. Yehovah.
Well, who headset? It's not face Adam baby e hye ni na we hu an because who be door na we hu headset.
Ubi ya obehu. Wow.
Na means what she and na boy no the bibi ama me am dey to me nsa. Oh, I just said bracelet. Na me face say nice bracelet. Me na make us omu jinga na baby. They stole a lot from me spiritually. Oh, it's Nsɛm said I don't know what it was doing to me, and then that me especially can me who but I don't say maybe you don't know the idea man. So it's if you pump prema make time headset and a through me fat to crony that school betting now go ahead. A jump na me ko it's edu baby no na. Yes, and me did 2 days for school and son me coffee. Me papa no is very strict and very disciplined. It's only musanka usually the parents, yeah na anka omo be was so on dinner day but on cut to the extent so do be back school. I be report to my school authorities. Most parents do that. But me papa e so me sad me foka ba quota say spirit na papa didn't na mama kwan 2 days na abaya we on be do fear 2 days into my school any ba me so enti me so me fa ba get next one just one na atra
when you have him
I said do baby me na me share uniform kan me share pants 7 because me yeah my faith so na me ko yeah my faith so na that crow me faith okoya obi ko ma and say na ma teachers ni bi who said teachers ni bi nso te town ho it's not teachers ni bi nso ehu me no me di mi ka be bo ma mi di friend madam Gladys said mistress bi o say no me bo na man ye say me pie biomo because me papa be yes I complain and my school ni ya net and me pie biomo na say sa da no they say mintin crofo ne ma ye CZ ya crofo phone say esa no mo ba prep impromptu the inspection immediately they share me and obi call it's am so makoye mi hwie wo boy ni hwie mi be mi ba school na yes ya hwehwe no mo time me ade chi na mo friend papa say mo friend Mr. Mother na nim there one say gon sound that morning na ye be debonize me free school mo ho Mr. Mother buy Mr. Madam so buy no be ye no bia be didi matem can be gumwa wan papa bia ja so de na mayenka isi se nka be na wi so ya ye me free school di me ya nam kwa hu sa be fuka ye ho no ko ta ho so se bus te train se bus ni ba e bia bwana e be di e bia 20 minutes ansa na bus so fraba eche kan kromo na krase na ho bi nti e ho sa me hu se boy na kwesi no one ne chia me no o ma be sing boy we engyina nka sɛ ya ana Tyra ho te sɛn ana sɛ bia bibi mpo eno twemu no so no bɛkɔ diskedro no kana anodin yo o kana anodin so bɛkɔ diskedro obɛdiskedro na Mr. Manyakus omo hu sɛ Mr. Man di matem na metina baaf na mekɔ Mr. Mada tam me de mekɔ sorry dem any bad deliverance bom say boy why me niema no so fo ni ma me papa akwanche se onkosa boy ni dan na no anya na omo fa ya ade me papa ndi echire bi he was not really may he so rest in perfect peace he was not really a spiritual person don't know ndi echire bi me de sad di mu aswade ni mu na ye nyame pe nti nyama mu be ye din e wo Mr. Madam nchen e ma me na atumi ni adwane ya me dwane afifie ma kokoshe be no ha 1 week na omuhu me na me dwale yen so ebo ha metimi the last time me dwane me ko pie ma me bi oton dokono nsɛm na de na won asɛm ni se me dwane bia me ko toni papa nsɛm me dwane bia me ko toni papa
that time na guy na da so ho
oh me ne jam kwa me ni number ko sata nya na me use phone me di 19 years na me
use phone
papa
that time no
straight.
That time na start na more connection na one da so ho.
Dabi. Na me ni guy ni ni hobby.
Amo ye dey na mo ntemutie e ba na sen because ya mo born se biti pa de.
Ye ni phone na bia ma. Enti na me ka se bu Samsung nkwasi asem no. O ga say yes yeah anka afise nka spirit nyame bi nsi na nka connection da so bi ho nkwasi asem enti no na me ni phone me the best friend no na me ni number me ni number enti no ano no connection na ka ti ano na nya say na ma fall in love am be susu wo ho heartbreak na to say engineer na me jini nyam pa de ya nka me kura nka me nim say engineer na me jini enti the last time I meet Johnny, me koto and Roberts in phone sim. It's not me and Roberts. Me papa na later finding out who the people are. Say me am ba me down mon chair ma di chi. I do we abestin and me can obi anje me boys here from one come da. O man ye me bone ade chi o ma me saponi sam na jare ye. Me na who say me gani bia na me go share obi a na ma catch on entro say bia me feel say ni say na be hwehwe obi na mayera nti nko betimi agimi atra ne nchen say ni say e bia intro bi just to get away from home e bia nka if I was a little bit mature at that time I would have handled the situation differently but pressure ni ya sana na I am saying I'm not trying to say Mr. Man, but I went through a lot. Oh, you see, it wasn't easy. Then too much. My band, sir. And see, boy, when he said, and I make papa not a gangster or a guy, but who is
you were
connection. Me, you were free. It's not so mean area boys. It's me, Johnny, or 2 area boys, good crony.
Location.
It's an adana juno sena me mada o pure ceremony ade na boys na me papa small one o me hune but now mo try at the right time no ma be mam so am efifie ho cause na baby na me na it was a dangerous place but me hune sa because boys na anya me body ti me wo hosa na yes na edu baby edi be 1 week na me face I feel baby edu mpese me coffee and my friend me man job bad time me friend na also he ne was bra na ma faka Antonia why me mobile money oh na ma call na o suma penifo no ma kan de me akofie no ma kopa achewa ma me ani asanje ne ndi sa da na attend die ne die ye be ye mia ma de be sesa until later na papa katem say boys na call on the notorious and robbers
But we be a question. Yeah, insurance and that was. Also, was she a Christian lady at that time when this happened? We just now we a Christian, and as I know, you're quite sure now, dear Chibi.
I saw in the crown. me ya kwa so na me di echire keke ba maka se na me nye Kristo ni me kwa so because me Sunday do ma me papa kwa so na me di echire ba na me nye Kristo ni mapa at that time nti no me dwane na ma kwa share me dwane twice or 3 times me dwane twice or 3 times nti no ebedu ba bi no na me ma me kroma be dwane no afei aye too much nti afei ma so na aye dey na abanza Mr. Malade me kwa sorry omo se obi na eya me saa na eya me se me dwane Mr. me so obi anya me saa na ye nya me kom ofi I don't see anything spiritual about dwane na me dwane I feel say na me kom no I thought say dwane me dwane a nke be bra me ko ton do kru nyina obi anka hwe ha me o me ko ton do kru mama me be 3 days me di church and say me young girl me fie krasi aba na me pe adwuma na me baby amenda o man baby die kire me say de ton do kun o me di do kun ko achi ni edi boni ni me di ko achi ko nante baby me fie area wa so no man go fie da say ma mi wo so do kun na untimi church da ha mi ntimi nko ene de no otua me ka 6 cities anka bayo anka na nati abuchi force ma odi anka eyedenya nka be ma waka say what is it you are going through be ma waka say jane it na me ka say if I was matured enough now I wouldn't have handled it the way I did before nti emenu mem de ye me de be ye mpaibo de ye badina manye ye na me ye na me de be pia abuchi me na ote me ho nsem na ye na ho meti ena obefa me bae na nyankopon chiade me bae no anka me ka se Ghana anka entitie wo ho na di anka nsese esese anka mitimi ya akola papa aha mo na aha ne free na everything is almost allowed you know aha mo no ena mabedro aha na ma bejo me na si baby ama mi wo bia na me sha no because edu baby no bia se maso edi me papa doubt say na ye ba because the way na maso edi no osuro osi he oba pa ni oba no waso edi nsa no so no doubt enti na me na de nkofo titugu na so bebre o we all be fa na be be ma ho achi obe ma ho aye sei na me na so de ma me fa no mbra obejo munya botre obeye ni se nyankopon adom no enle ma fe nyame afaniye enle 2x4 ya fa na afaniye
Jesus
me fe nyame me sofo na me nim no before me fe nyame no okachire me se me kai se me ni Mallam bi bibi se eno po na twi ma din kosi so endo say then you pant edi ya die but well nti me ni ba ma tena me bo hana be ma na ko me so na me say me ma so ade ma na me play man girl ma so ade ma na me nye play man ti me obi a me de bi ebe yi for me ma de o ma ba ma ko ni ba me ni no bet na sa dia 1 year me nim the babana me all of a sudden was started putting up some behaviors no call for no reason for no just cause internet na honey e ma me de yamba na so for ne ka chento wo kai na twi ma dream ko si so ne ya kwantse ne mpaibo enti me ba fe nyame yankasa no I've done a lot of recovery prayers
now
much
maybe
more
some question
than
be like when you be a deliver when you deliverance ankasa
me call Pentecost. Emma, asofo no tini omusa so yeah me deliverance. But me ankasa no, I have been delivered in my dreams several times by the Lord. I've been delivered so many times. Emma, the last deliverance that I had was like a year ago.
Okay.
And deliverance my year of recovery now and that's womb. Because near mom, me sure say boy I cannot tell. It could have been anything. It could have been grass. If you're me say, you can't tell. I can't tell. I'm still praying about it. And then I buy so now coupon and no. And then met me I know how he operates. I know the likes and the dislike. I know when to pray when the need arise. I know me who is me buy was for me to tell me who sana me was not necessarily seminar breakthrough because me to Ghana and yes seminar one na me obi am go school because ye me the feel quota me papa ka jam say wa bere on family go school bi nti me ton ade but me nana ka say no obeko ti me nana na force so ya ma me wie secondary school or Ideal College and I me law course 1 year our King's University. Asana me babu tini mi amabre wana me say me bedruwa. She did not give up when everybody was like the way all corner no jano, but she did not. And you know me when say and yes me ti Ghana na me obi a me ni baby da na bibi I feel like say hana me buy no not be here said the me hu nyame because me ti Ghana nka me hu nyame me kra de enka me hu me wan nka be pichi ebia nkwa dia asem bi se ama no why intino me aha me buy na nyame do me be encounter the Lord na masesa bebre intino conform hu ye hu oh and I have to be guilty and some regardless whether guilty or not because so
I mean, my dear me like say I find Mallam demo boss mu si ho mutumi ye ba mo mpa de ehu serious
one say who say sex no ya kase nyankopon echi efia nipa ntiase o ejamambo eyefin kesi nipa abosonfo krampo kra no eyefin mo anka fisa ade chi ombe mana kotweda akoko komo mane nkoye because we go am hofi we go wo tempo ni
because those days na well I'm gonna say be abosom no me gentle sana mekan
depend and me dey na me ni free nipa ye dwarfs no on dey na me ni very free me on dey na me ni din komo oh and obo ncho oni ncho dem ncho ni say adekodi na on the free omo no say sample be call inti yafa ni say shinap one bottle and on the free na a sample be call
nti on nka say na uhwegu
as in na there thought ba ko he na obogum ebia na obetwe cigar kakra no man bi ni watwe it's just like the Holy Spirit when if you are not careful you quench the Spirit of God it's spirit of uncle but it's funny me dey am experience I won nya hu sao me dey bosom dey on dey na me ni nya fi mu no on dey ono dey me hu twice pe
ono na destroyer no right
hey on ka sao ba obo ne kokosu sa ono no boy ni body so abre o na bi eti pim da ni ebubo bi kokosu
and say na mo man na ahihye dey aye die na nim ni na asay
o normal and on no bi ka to say akwawe Abrabo so ma onini onam ase na ma young man bia na mo bia betimi happen but just say carries this is 3 na dey
so obi say drunk idols yes omo na answer mo ja na omabu
omo and there one say so it no be free question ni no na question no on
boy
amazing na boy no slowly feel this is last kubeo ye pekubare ye misika ye mebo kubeko or the insane pipe kube na pipe kube no mean or the 12 flags say I mean names or kanchi yo say that say six in the chair me na mu chair me it to me na even is a brand a regular guy on a regular basis and many things like the only extraordinary thing is and a chrome sabo Nsɛm doors and that guy be a medical school your student in the back no so friend moti e friend bosom into no ni kwesi bosom no mo nka oni kwesi no mo nka because kwesi ni ya kwanche wo chrome ma obi and na bosom evil spirits be wo kroma or tie boy no sick say omo ase ska sembi abo Mallam fonya wo ska problem o ska sembi na oye ma obi but to ni dia so say boy ni dia atena sika ne so watena sika ne so because say ope boy kuna waba kwesi ho na kwesi ni ye edu na ma na boy nso so ompe no en ye metena ade na wo ye nso omo kanti boy one play amania no solid yeah is who is I was some fun your feelings it's in a be more worry nipa no ni ade who but enya who sa I think it's because me I've been with the boy into me shut and strong sa it me who be no say me match the nyansa oh it depend bosom kwa go friend no enti na say ye obi mu ye deliverance omutimi omupese omuhu demon ko ni di is important demon ben na who possess body
how meet on the chiwadi of Mbeka no
pepe you say ohu boso na me fi ni di ndot no yeah me
di no mama me how why
no me kwa me rest because omo dear wow it's just something else. Then I am one can see is kind of tricky dino. I'm just let me face say you be and nature of this kind of man who said that. Most of them is fake, but it's just a few of them now going to me for real. I don't care how for real it is, but it's still not of God. Internet nadia we can tolerate it at all. Internet dear.
Okumobi mani ema unhu pen.
Me who say when you mojada.
Mallam so nyomu na ne kum nipa.
But me who's wako neli nkrofo din woda hoda.
Odo akwesie ye pen.
There be but yako deep forest da.
Amkoye den.
Yako neli nkrofo din ebia ebia set. Why ye ma dia?
Ebia nyame body fufuro, there be body fufuro.
Ebia bisa. Oh yes,
I'm just kidding, don't mind me.
Ebia fancy bisa na ebia me akọ ebia mpese ne yem hwie me mpese obe yie da di na ko bobọ wo ma bọọlụ palọ ma bobọ dado aha
na obi ko pen odi o ko report obi pen
me dey one so me so am ni boy ni na so ma nye ma mpo obi ankọkọ ye ne boy ni bia me dey na me plan na
na we ye na Charlie na kaza obi a we ye ni papa
ma mpo obi ankọ so am recommend you na ebe tene area mu ni ase me plan no obia because na me boy ni na me wia anadwo ni
me fans o dey na so wa fans
pa boy ni nkofo sro no intino mene ni anopa don sie me ye ni na mo okita dua no okita mo podua no na carry si boditi
ona mo anti am from ona mo bia from Mallam girlfriend pen Mallam girl ana no bia suru
o cannot wa nkasa o ye be shi no o cannot intino on say it made me feel a little bit proud and fearless because now I say
go protection be
but me ankasa on say adofo mienu people who are in love and are in Christ no matter the distance between them some in common with phones for a very long time the word of God keeps them going it keeps them in contact so no matter the distance the word of God but when acquire Muslim no on say me fall into me na ninko then the chromo no me feel one asan but anka Christopher do anka you learn to exercise the patience which is one of the fruits of the spirit because me na botre because me say be on e bia me ten encourage but me say na me ntimi we ye in Bible will encourage you the Holy Spirit will keep you going will keep the love in your heart burning but akwaye bonsam ntino me phone ntie na eno alo no abonsamfo busumfo no mutimi kodura yensamo mutimi ntramba kan that's how it is that's just nyama kakebe ebi ase dia Nze mayo no ene nyina na me nana okase bi okase chobo abayo na unyi na oware unya be ma papa ye ho ade a obo se afei no udware kra na utwi ho de nte se memme bia se be wodo ho amom no ahu
Na ho
na
nyanya
ohu
okay
cow
bia.
ohu you
So how do you feel? So ho ene ya we be hu Christo yi. Say when you are there you remember you being with that guy now. How do you feel?
Oh, I try to compensate with myself with the fact say it's my past. When I try say hunting me, I'm like, oh, it's my past life. It's my but me kai say me be man I be da na it's I'm feeling like garbage. Like okay, be man no man ye. Oh, but I console myself with the fact say who be ye nyame ba na de ni na you perform kaka saa nkɔfɔ mmienu bi na ɔmate saa me story na asɛm baako pɛ yɛ ɔmo ka ne sɛ wanka sɛ nyame dɔ because nneɛma a okɔɔ mu no
sister enya common no the okike e wum si esre by serious sɛ nyame pa na dɔ na ɔbɛsɛ na ebia ne wo hyɛ ma yɛ pa nka wawu honestly speaking because ka Satan kora bakum
because
nka ga ne kwa do be bibi ɔno kwa do betumi de wayɛ bibi
sharp cry na officer boy no open no am pay bi o e bia me na no ne me the second na mo cry no onya girl ni because then oba bia is right right sense is then no be change
ano ni asem no
it is making me believe more and more say e bia na bibi cons because oba ben nke no betina wo eti bia me na onya me da easily onya me ni da easily ni nti na bia o secure ni me be nese bia and me first time me kind the first time motia ne buy me yam shin unze ade a me wudi da nti o buy me yam shin but then me ti say me no ti o bo nkoma said o ka si yeti motia yesi motia enu ani ni ana ne kasa ye different boy ni ka tree me muda ho but motia ni possess body na said unsaid mfanche mutate unsaid enoughness ka tree no
yeah
sana motia ni ka tree usi then ntutu say enya boy no o kasema ni sisusu ni ade ntutu ena I never knew say your spirits are obetini aka say spirit we free kwa spirit we free pepe ni spirit we ye
I said on my language based on their language
language them won be there to no free ye
wow
ebe mo won be bia to no free ye and what ya timi ba timi ka say baby am ye friend na on be nyina na baby owo no na nsuo wo ho nti na ne na ase afọ
boss nsuo
ne na ase afọ nti no we chi wo je to lo mo kan chiche ansa na wa ba ebi wa na mo tia no spirit ko no oni ho at the moment
or vacation mo tia no vacation you ready
so friend but na mi adom ye holy spirit no your body etna ti di ni kata ye ni a ina ka en hon kon kasa mitie obenye otie mu ade oti body ye ne da o de sorry it is he's with us this is when I compare these two spirits it's amazing one be said the freedom we have in the Lord it's not easy na motia ben e be friend bi ade akototion up some specific brand being so
bosom edika abo
I say no near the friend
wow
and then near the friend
abosom for crap I thought
I anọpa no ni epia almost small shrine na she table na say nti so obi ba na obeye ayi ani atwea atwea ba mo that one time bi am ochia me no ni ho I had no choice than to assist because that ya really be o school no I mean in the school ochia no me class you near friend Michael no me nti no Michael no ni ho no ma I have no choice Sebosun to be oba impromptu honestly otimi ba impromptu I am friend here otimi ba it could be an emergency issue bi otimi ba ba kwesi ba ka che ne say no ko inti ono abade a kwesi bi ho inti no use the word kwesi ba ka che ne say say no ko mesi na number chomati no ko until oba msi kwesi say no sin ngancho no aya mama ho na no ne na kasa or share object no it's not opportunity mate it in says spirit in manifest through kwesi body na yen and on ye kasa not kwesi take on conversation kwesi doesn't hear the conversation
I say there will be deliverance na on manifest no
just say
okay.
Until our body is a temple for spirits, it's for spirits. Until you see a dependent spirit to come or allowing in your temple, you are just an empty vessel. Oh, said that you're empty vessel. So it could be a marine spirit possessing, it could be the spirit of God. It depends on which one you submit yourself to. And about consumer the two no more that is the Holy Spirit. Because marine spirit, bet me about the terror, maybe another there one say kwesi bako spirit me and something manifest if boy ni. But mummy be say if the body was possessed by the Holy Spirit, the Holy Spirit will not even tolerate another spirit. Will not tolerate another spirit. Let's say evil spirit, they agree with each other. Anything you afraid be familiar spirit, maybe SS me a fear on you fear na me fear no problem kakra ho ya wabusu mo fear na
to say omuna connect wo omuna connect to amano I come
me frɛ kwesi no so me ni lose contact time am papa mo but me ni get into contact time me call ye chrome honey so I'm no Ekow ni no Ekow ni me so me Ekow ni me inviting over to ye fie ho hade esi e oba ye fie ho owura fie ho pe asemo kan say ofi ha bi wa ha fie ha or agree with spirit bi wo fie ha nko hwana na me say nko pe nsan ni shigareti mra na ye be come wa ha ni e na nko pe bi ba ye nti e on yeti ho bon komo sa so fear na say they want you fear on no din so on ni dey make it no because no nya comfort
because it doesn't make sense I when they connected with them they
connected it in your friend is say they be aye ka say ansa na obi be ya wade amanenya no
na e fear for na
yes intini say you would do
be na dey omo nya permission o hwe this time round they don't need any permission
you're from a familiar spirit the man almost no into o sa spirit no onimwo into spirit or your who be person say wa agi on this spirit no onimwo no I agree now for myself now who be bun some I can say oh men same time ni be almost say what that into no oh sir
the guy said Obuasi there's one particular house bosom na say umuni na omuni na no mba be wupe omusisi chia enya easy oba emba no de wo destroy muni na mema no so o my life I basa akaboy baako ono pe na minim no ho boy ne life basa cheze bosom ya ade ani se o makwa ma e wose ebi wo fi o so fight na wo de ho enya de papa
ne ehu yesi bonsama wade nyanku sama nchaade afiri bonsama ma uska enso so be ma kwante
because ye wo fie bia ne de ma ye wo fie bi wo ha o de back akwaji sika efie bi so ma wo je say enyama tantan
entino mi ankasa mi modie me nya eni spiritual attack
sama eye warning pa de ma mema na chese yehu skirt betwem awom trouser betwem awom so one very careful
and na sika and omo ton wade
Me say
obi to ade ho a what dia fra sika mo ho mpae ade wo ko ba ade undu tight nti no
esi momo abai esi ade momo
ah
na ba nti esi ade eno ana eko
mumu no unse anka ade ton obi oton 100 anka wo pon a na se wo bedu fi a
boss
na
mpae
wa bua usike nyina no wa bua suko so mpae because sika na wo je show hwe sa sika na ye twinfi down eba out get to say sika ya print well done for print you there's no difference there's no cent there's pepe twinfi down ne ho ba ye no me de ko tia lorry
according to
fare
sources mene akwaba akunye counter oso mo twife bank
yes so
omo
me
shimfe
even on
banks
the mercury at way
yeah
so no
oh and buana ya goodie
enti omo twimba me de omo ton wade no mesra wo mo omo ba mo so mpaye ne skenya na esika papa na aka
nsaka
na mo dia
wafo
ya
sika
de
na
foforo
ka ho
say enti no sa uti say yes obi wo ha ne boy yes aka weni a no nso no ono boy no as normal no say dem hu Mallam as normal that's the thing with women we see these men as normal regular men are fall in love with them they are just extraordinary
so
in their
normal
own ways
da do ti beje no
you
na
who
bu so
normal
normal
and in fact another thing kakreba mbese nkaka say my wana ya
slay
force
queens
ya hu ewo my mema nso nyehwe ni
slay queens
because I and a mema bi obabi I've had my own little experience a hampo na me buy be me bia me wa ratio mu se nka obeye yi kakraja
so be kakra
I say ja o tu se no ho
they
se
are
o bia
growing
na
so
sikasem na na nkoyi eni force me ja ni mani sika kakra akwa wi echi ni naked pictures and o try the blackmailing yangasa mu na me man again di it's no it's no it's there's a lot of
o
things
de
never
ye
baby
free akwamfa ne sa ne ye ntoa story no so because ye ka say ye di sankofu agia ye beka it be ya it from that time no ufris ekromu ankasa ekwa different place ana
me free kromo kra na nya me troubles ni nya be nya aka homo
that time
but
na
me
o
free
sini high na say na woda so
na no
GHS
ss
SS
na
o
no
complete
ss3
you
kra
did
me
complete when we
there be me be wie na mu na sa na me nya ma nyina ka school mu ho ntino me back Accra I do college na me be
you
wie
were complete okay
be wie Yenya butro we are say like yenya we've been to a lot so who obina or celebrating the success you should try see and finding out the story behind it
yes
because
the source
and the source no because and you can have one say obi ko ye ni sikedru na another spirit and obi on so free another god atnas can so because open one it's funny but it's a real idea cause one kasa and there be a media sidame nyankopon say one we free Mr. Madafion because Mr. Madana asema no nam de bi oka me say ya twini moja that na ehu me phone yo me phone me papa ye na ontimi nkan ne bebre because say makwa ne banti ontimi nkan Mr. Madadie te say ntari a meja ho Ekow school me ba me sha na ro me me sha na ro me say na say ebia ma ekese bia o
so that
whole
time
night
no
na
na still no my men woda so Ghana and asa na watu kwan
any mama no Ghana
so
the
that so
way maso
Ghana
here
and what was her
and
effort
said na maso make us say the man maso
was
fear
here
di
dinity
mama de on yam hihye ni de me come me papa and on so no obo ne bra oh no so no
were they
no
together and asa no separated
almost separate mama and papa the ma worry da
nina ya na nina no the origin nina is separation no divorce nya the papa o
nti me maame de ono so na obo ne be ma we hia no for neti no so no Bonnie Bra and na say Mr. Madantino. I collect and me mammy catch me say, Time I mean ya assembly mpono. Na me mammy saw ye na jene say or baskumu ho na onumo aba beni teachers na be kasa. Because when Mr. Madam honest your pass on the boy issue or the candy go. If you crash are not here, na I they say assembly crying.
That time,
Mr.
were
Madam,
you like, did you have someone and now to be open up to?
debut.
Obient you because
Why? Yeah, me no be me opia. Na me man no dey bury as cry. She doesn't know how.
it me first akwanya we so aka say we a parent never give up or bano no matter say the na so like and give up no wupe no matter who you are obeti pains e be we ya and your parents ni bi kra no a omunya time kra ma omoma na emi so say what's really going on oko school kra say na see and nkofo bebre ku omo ho because they have issues omuntumi nye de enka nkyere obia
Nke be won say
what you say
nke be won say niema because niema me call mu bebre no wo hu anka ebia na me free efia na nyamesom entintin fie ho nyamesuro enni fie ho because nyamesuro ofie ho anka nyema bi a meye nka me ka say me ye anka mani beba me ho so okay about time bi ho no mo didi mi na wada but about time die umbremba embatan ye mu ne huna mani o bible and me be all quite you have to always intercede for oban especially ye ma about no ma high school no go high school na nyama we look at high school na me kono and can me go there and can me to the process
body
body ntino na me ma me papa nso me didi mi na ma da no nti omo so no na empabo afemu na engo yesa nti me Mr. Madam me school madam me ko nya no nso so no wi etie ne eso no ko ye before well ni ono ni sense bebe nti na I can say na huhu dia almost say me pa huhu dia na I have gone far. I have gone far to the extent I have laid in bed with the enemy. No. Now coming out of it, Nankasa, I said where Ankasa can mommy only say, oh, say your friend be inventory, mom work grocery store and restaurant in the so would did ja ebe good store ni mo na do baby a ukọ sinsin wo shop and I come in Manchester 5 boxes and send me to be ni wacho that is how you should do with your life and oba life oh wo hwe na na do baby a no ma pause so na mo mie no ma di akonya na mo tena se na mo for book ni paper few age way what have you learned in life what are your mistakes if you to ben wafa make inventory in your own life and you will know the profits and the losses you're making but say what necessarily now who knows I myself can maybe gonna get the anikurame come me worry boy he said me coming in my boy you cry just imagine it me come out and then come in there ma or I don't know where he is right now. I don't know what's going on because or extend it the Mallam business. On the other do so that or yes or extend the son or kind. Imagine that come out my boy it would have been a whole can many boy in it. Can many boy in it here Mallam Bower and calculate yes so benina one may so when you can see
Obi bisa question say can you tell us a little bit about the spiritual slave trade, the buying of spirits?
Dear, I can't mean come much about it. But the minimum say your tongue to say the
Okodijano.
Yewo
abosom eyo ho. Even say abosom shop to say the okota milk ne sugar no.
Yehowa. Your abosom high price. Your abosom bi ane boy din. Your abosom depending me obetimi aye. Your obetimi and obetimi aye. Me there Maybe I kind of repeat it over and over again. One of the drafts I managing near bar shepherd and the managing bar because of sending now you come we are near high price because one on dear ubasa on dear ubasa basao on near was out until you mumu now ni more bad day snake draft because it's more day. Oh, it's it's just like go chrome koto idea or market na new sika person now to into your business now. Of course, we are for girls mobia. We are for girls mobia. They will pay you.
Where then ahunya me?
And it's through Facebook. A true sister.
Like we want to know how. The person describe it. How did you know Christ?
Me ba broche no. The early
and can be chrono, yeah.
Baby crowd to say.
And me say and can be out to na country corner was
Oh, okay. Me ba. Come on, me too quiet no in the early months no and Facebook yeah. And na mami ba kubi. No taa bɛyɛ prayers na de tina me taa tie no pa. That was when I started. I won't say I encountered the Lord, but that was when I started paying close attention to even the things of the Lord in terms of Bible and the fasting. I go me by na me kwasore. Into one faithful day. Now, mommy, I would like to mention her name, Sister Semilori. Na
Iveta
Oba life Iveta Oba life no be Facebook
me twin
me who say sometimes no me patcho ye tie for ya na se mu online na se nyamya sem obi ka nyamya mu bo modern na mu share why because one obi
tie program we obi tie program a life transforming so we yin ani kura so on share ono so on like it and the sad yeah dear.
Obi share program no. Obi share. It's one of it's one of my Facebook friends share program never me news fed.
Wow.
And I'm clicking on it and I'm TA message now sister you teach on that day kuma yeah. And I order me Zoom ID near my toto
now
me copy na me borrow a group ni. And to me be no in fact Mami no so no me buy no nkyerɛ say that time say no ma fa yesu before mami na ma bo esu so nti there I did not my mom in sasu biom as obi on fe nyame na but me who say me can say I started having these goosebumps of all over my body.
I was seeing Google rough.
I was seeing I feel mami no nkyerɛ ni Bible Ewura me square na do I'm saying me ankasa I surrender I surrender and mom is so and since then and I started doing my own Bible studies.
Let me ask a question. It's a nice question. Like what was your experience like when you surrender we and I will share that night and previous years saying I will feel it.
You say I felt say first of all I felt say a heavy burden is off my shoulders first of all. Secondly, I felt disgusted, especially with my past. Because of baby I made Johnny pain akoda. Maybe I made me one mom. Ebia nkrofo maybe o ma no aka che me say shall never be well with you. Penifobia my young bonny. Yeah, o ma ka che me say ube brands ube yi. Me share me share so many things has actually contributed to the past that are very disgusting. It was a nice experience. Actually, I had to encounter him on my own. First of all, me who knew choose is a similar baby. I had to take a break. We call break akra, and I started to say me and Kasano me taking by mistakes. Me working on myself every day. And actually, I've been at 1 year and some. I think 1 month in me bad faith. That's the right word to use in the faith. Me bad faith in me. And looking back at my past now, I have reconciled myself with the fact that it had to happen. Said the Bebani said the grace.
What has been your challenges? About faith, what has been your challenges? Abemubu from people, like, can you share some experiences?
Started film with fear, me and Kasami immediate family.
When the best start?
Fearful. I said, yeah. Who said, Tron getting kitty bit to say, or fair, I can't say me. The giant.
What's in it? I chill him.
And now, if you are unsaid, if you are auntie for that one, no, or cousin was and watch it, or cousin so far, no, cow grandpa was a catch. And I feel now by bonnet more, especially midnight prayers, me pompire and upon me, yammy by which was so unlike me, yammy by this study saying, nah, my locking me who are them. Now me said me pay no disturbances, now me kind me Bible concentrating. And I dear back quite bad as a major shock at me. A do baby now it was too much for me. They say me mammy and Casacrano or can't be an look as a me was a sample. Mammy will be a no can't to an Amaka 5. The name of your age in
transformation. Hey,
twice. Yeah, my compound house.
Wow.
My booming mammy a pan huntuma.
Was it that time now when Ekow?
Oh, there is other night before me cocoa on. Say stubborn, you stubborn, oh, you can be a time to come and papa. My puna pan hunda. Anna, me buy broaching from an copen one so catch and so the brands I'll be. It's me, one faithful day, me Sunday and the pool, Nami, me youngest one year, who complain my mammy. And then my me child bought me, not me quite so and say, me my mission, yeah. You say, Brassett, Makuma, I never said me reply, me mammy. Me quiet, Mrs. and we are quite so any mammy sang quite cram. Say, mammy, quite so you, or no. I want to say you any other, oh, yeah, me go by. Oh, you have me buying on the sun, and say, Mamma, Sambo, oh.
Transformation
ever. It is very unlike me. It is not me nankasan a far fool, no feminine, no saying that they may chow nana and the papas to carry and hey, Miami.
As I those days now, come obiasuru.
Obefanilla, on one casa. It's in a say, hey, me has a sampa. I found now no catch them crop. Hey, me says now, I feel me I can start this off so old because me want the we are now boom a bungo for year no more pa compound out the anity. Now boom ya my pen baby afa. Inti me I think for coming to kwa na me feel money at them me I turns is what's the sound? One pa. I'm saying, I'm some dear bibio. So I am your funny one free. It's me, it's that it's a very I see, sir, me and Kasami who say, Kelly, my son, because me first now, come 2 years, me quality, guys, I remember Salah on the dam, and the coffee board, Chinama, whatever. Chinene, send me some like, but me share, said, yeah, missy, me quamity, me wouldn't must say, now. Me tell my imagine say the tea be had me boy jamai and found any pressure me na me boy jamai da na me say ma hye me ho so na nkonkon adarament metini ahye me ho so mi ko ejuma ba beda no enye me say me pie mpote na me kwa na metimi me lock me pu bi ntama me pe as compared to time na me nana chen. But we share difference now. Me who say God is still working on me. I'm not perfect. But I see so one of the few things I was struggling with, God has dealt with it. God has dealt with it. And the only 3 things I can say is Mama told me, "We should music idea." And my you are, we have 3.
I want to focus advice na me pese
Abutre. Munya abutre because said the mina kind no. Bema bi be wale bema papa bi. Hey, bema can't who yes when you you can tell say this guy is an answered prayer. Then many nyame be ma no. Or ye mpaibo bi a boy and feeling nyame yi wa no. Now the next year in a holy way no. You work with shade now down now kind no be. Eti me da ho na me kai be me bia me your mother. Na me guti tu. Na me ho yira me. Wrong, but and there you can but first say Obama one excuse or the other. Enti no mumi anya abutre bibia Nyankopon ya ade nyina kama na mani nda so say e bia menya kwan bi mpo etu na me so ma beje me ho no. I never thought about it. I never did, but now God had his own plans. And they are in Aisha online we did not plan this day, did we? No. God purposely said a message about who knows, maybe there might be somebody who is also thinking about doing something somewhere, and this is the right timing for the person. It's a movie and share program. Why? And I'm be a share and love Facebook Live. No man so no.
Such an account. Wow.
I didn't such account. It's yeah the papa moon share and family say oh share will be like it. And now upo CBB will be unlike it. If you are not one person just has to be on listen to that.
A penny per 2,000. Be one person.
Na said obi nipa baku to me. Nipa baku benti Nyankopon betimi ama sofo organize a focus.
Only one
just
person.
For one person.
Just one so.
One person inti Nyankopon ko ba sa him that disciples network benefit.
Nipa 5,000 dinechi afi ebekwa na aka 11. The whole years no. All powerful mind no. All kona aka nipa 11.
Aka nipa 11. Ai aka me ye cry me say to.
Me no mienu ye akokọ ba kra ntumi command. Ye na pe 2,000 ye. Ebushafo exam na aba na de me say wasoma ye ochen. Mo mobile late no. Stream ni wie pe. Sanso kwechi ni kwetie nsem o wasum. I'm in comment section. Kaka Match Ken yours and sister. Welcome. Esther Sarate on the Wasres, Mr. Dia, as I'm very guilty for not sharing. God have mercy on me. I say very powerful and deep life experience. God bless you, my sister, for sharing. And yet the pain and the benyas could grab it and have a same way. And yet the pain and her best side way. But she's bold enough. Just say will be better, no so in such renti. And all share. Just address Otima. I think okay, I think I've talked about that one. Mr. Peter, messaging the Dawafebo, Pecrabet I download the committed audio. Now I share my being so tea. Move to me na for WhatsApp after program. No, me I try say me download the audio. Now my transfer. And just say I go round. They said WhatsApp audio. No, hey, in that time share concern audio. No. We say nyata ma download the concern ye share. So na me expect to say we so we be no obi so te. No nya aden sachira. SethEkow TV ni wo question me obetime bisa. Sister Sefa Paulina, welcome. Mr. Kwekwampim, actually as I have left my things in 3 different places in life because of women and useless lifestyle. Blessed be the Lord. Oh, the one day, so the 170 a 1,000 gigabyte. One day only a best share. Mr. Kweku, Italy. Mamianji, also chop and chop anything in a shiny skirt. Remember, ni be any homo. Hey, who? I just over many homo rough. I say, give idols a bone, and he will take a bottle. How do you explain this? I can't take far. Where my Anja McBeji? I don't know the bar. UK. Esther Mesa Dobia. Abaso, Mr. Ned Colors TV, UK. God bless you. Esther gift to Sefa. I said, hey, thank you for your testimony. I say, in a deep forest, hey. I said, you need people sleep on trees in the forest. Boy. I say, Esther, don't encourage people to be saying a new. We cover our life with the blood of Jesus. Okay.
Said the reason why I make us say when say we are beginning to see those things as idols.
Okay.
Idea it's an idol for you.
Okay, yeah, I'll be a slave.
And
Okay.
is for you
To
not to
fear
be
it.
afraid of this
Okay.
lesser. No.
I
It's
get
not to be
it.
afraid of them. Into ehuna na say empaibo na usori ahumachi mpobo no. And you say you want to communicate with the Lord, and I say your time in prayer and you want to communicate with the Lord, but it's because of because of lesser gods being na usufre nyame. But as I said, to me, it puts it that fear rather in the Lord and not in those lesser gods. And
sure.
make us say
Okay.
make us say but I would never advise anybody to go in for those things because it comes to consequences. Boy, when you're sure also no problem
because maybe saying what guy and what's in can be like what's in the home from maybe pain say or I know.
Maintaining can do.
And then when I was such a I said born home pie.
Meaning baby or what?
Said a yanko pa jono, so I said bonnet through some pie, na yanko point Jordan so.
MG also because it was.
Mammy Jemima, I say true, pa, brother said. Some of us had the opportunity to come to Europe to see God and not for any reason. Yeah. They are more Arab countries and also boha, me back when to me be who or so far could see what about going to be who or so free. Me back. Enti let me just it's no more Ghana na more tin kofu en kam so dabi enti nipa bu a was nyame na ahye da do mutu kwan ma bibi kan money ansa na omo hu nyankopon Mami Angie, also some people have been through a lot. It's only by the grace of God. It's a gift Sefa. I say praise the Lord. Evangelist Adwa Yabua, welcome. I say it's a Jemima. I say back then it was easy crowd. Brako. Mr. Steven Dia, welcome. Happy New Year and so. I say missed you Sister Angie and all fans of Mr. Ekow. Angie, Sister Angie, I say, for one person to go through this, she needs heavy counseling. Easy. Like, it's too much. Queen Juan, I say you are looking good. Nice. Thank you very much. It's a gift. That's a good question. I think the question I'm beside. Peace be unto you, away from evangelist. Okay. No. Ebushan for. Yeah, first our queen we so sister Tay. I say, Sister Joyce Otema, it takes the grace of the mighty hand to bring evangelism to his people. Mami Mavis, I'm asking, Mr. Peter, I say, please ask her, how is her relationship with her parents now? Bibi intene papa free but I believe it's right now, no. One of I mean, tell me, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, by the grace of God.
Especially after me.
Everything is new. Your bumpire say, family and so, a banana so. Bible can add 16 verse 31. Or say, or can something nice say, Giradi Yesu Christo di, no better when you fear for now. And to be praise through her, no, the family and so, a be saved. If I saw when you were so I catch, I would say, also person share a story. Now, man, that screen is no +38073219144. Number no crown, brother name mistake. To make sure it go a comment section ho. This is the number. Make sure go comment section ho. Also a story episode near share our Abrabo mo. Ama encourage you be nso a won so obetumi di apa. Ti sister Nyankopon hya no nka ho. Ewi a ebedi nkomo. Nye ni pe na ne benya sa emre we abehye kese ebi mu personal secret life o. Nye ni pe ni na but for the souls and deliverance nti na we di bibia to nchen we di fere ni bibia to nchen na oba behye.
No, very na say we dey.
Exactly. That's how we dey. Obi baka say nim go asesem. Someone is watching from India. Mohawa Studio. God bless you. Mr. Eric and as brother said, when are you going to continue with Abrabo and Kratan? Because I like such program as well. With you can find my banty. Everything is going to begin. I bet also. Mr. Eric. You bet also pa. Enti I don't know. Also person will share a story. Na man na me that to a comment section hono. Obetumi so can. Before I say be free akọ no mesrɛ make sure so be like video na wa share so that mo bi. Now we new to channel so make sure say hit the subscribe button. Abusuafo ye dia no si Kristo asundi enka mo ni na brother Seth edo mo ni na ye besa nso ehia bio. I will say it's time you say your story there is out of this world. A brave ankasa. Yankupo ehira. Ati abusuafo we do do si ye twemu 1 hour 35 minutes. Yesu nhira mo. Enye ni pay na na benya time. I be spending the time say obeti a testimony emfa na ho. Enye ni pay na. Aha. Ti Yankupo nhira mo no nyam kese. Ye besa so ehia bio. Peace. Shalom. Midomoni na